During dark or foggy cold months, more of our commute time is spent during dark driving hours, in morning and at night. At Hansel Honda, we want to make sure your winter driving is as safe as possible, and we're here to help. Our headlight restoration process can inexpensively restore your headlights to improve your nighttime visibility. If you notice that foggy haze on your headlights, chances are it's actually blocking some of your beam's ability to light your way. Rather than replacing your headlights, which can be an expensive proposition, this service can be performed during your next regular service visit. Of course, we'll also inspect your tire tread and brake condition and other maintenance items while you're here. Headlight restoration can improve your visibility. It also adds to your vehicle's appearance and gives it more of that original showroom shine. So call us today and let us tell you more about the many advantages of our headlight restoration service.